release a short or video every day. Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, in this video, before we get it started, go and hit that thumbs up. We're trying to get the video to 100 likes. So today we're gonna break the bank again. We got an unboxing with y'all. Today it's a special day because me and my brother got an unboxing. How about that, nah?
It's a double up.
Yes, sir.
It's a double
Yes,
up.
sir.
Hey, we was telling you guys we entered that raffle, right? Hey, my boy Special K came through. He came through. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all know Special K. Yeah, I entered that raffle for those Yeezy slides.
Yes, sir.
And I got them.
Uh-oh.
I got them. I got them.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Hey, they here, y'all. They here. Yes, sir. So like my brother said, it's a special day. We're gonna go ahead and do this double up. Since my boy came through, my brother, I'm gonna go ahead and start us off. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox these players. I'm going to lower this down for y'all so y'all can see that it's the real deal. Y'all can see that I'm not I don't need this box, so I can go ahead and really get into this. Yes, sir. Yeah, yes, sir. Hey, these are my first
from the confirm app.
Right. These are my first slides, right? I do believe you have a pair, don't you?
Do. Most comfortable slides in the world.
Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and knock this to the side, right? Hey, what that say right there?
Slide, my brother, slide.
Right. Yes, sir. What that say? That's right. Yes, sir.
Hey, what size is that?
What size are these? You know what they are. They're them 12s, baby.
Big boy sizes.
Yeah,
Big boy sizes.
Yeah, them 12s, baby. That's a dozen of eggs. That's a dozen of eggs. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Y'all see them. Come up with like my little pen and stuff. Yes, sir. Stand up to all hate. I like that hashtag Adidas. Y'all see that?
Hey, that's something new. That's something new. I ain't seen that before. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, something new and different. I like that.
And so if you don't know, now that Adidas has partnered back up with Yeezy, part of the proceeds will go to the anti-Semitic. So you are giving back as well. You know, like we always say, for sure, we're always trying to give back. So by supporting this Yeezy brand, we're giving back as well.
Yes, sir.
Good job, my brother.
Yes, sir. What it says, hashtag stand up to Jewish hate. I like that.
Yes, sir.
My boy, he's back. He's back. So yeah, let's get into these slides. What? Hey, I'll be doing a video as well and letting you guys know how they feel. Like I said, these are my first ones, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Let's get this box to the side, man, and really take a look at these right here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how they look.
So what's the name of those slides? Which ones did you get?
I call them slides. What you call them? Yeah, I call them slides.
No, I'm just trying to say like the name. They should have the name on the box, my brother.
Okay, unless I got the KOs. Knockoffs. You see it? That's all it say, my brother.
Can't see.
Yeezy slide.
But I think those are gray. I think those are called granite, but I don't know.
Yeah.
So what do they look like to you? They look gray or black?
Gray. They gray.
Okay.
Yeah, they gray. They gray. My first slides, y'all. Hey, drop a comment below.
So what's your first reaction? How they look to you? Like your first reaction seeing them in hand?
My first reaction to them, they look like they look like some ordinary slides. Hey, listen. Hey, some original flip flops.
Okay.
That's my first.
No advanced technology in those.
Hey, I ain't mean to knock. Hey, I ain't knocking on my boy Special K, but hey, drop me down.
Hey, we going back to the plus page with those, baby.
Hey, drop a comment down below. They look like ordinary flip flop, right? But on the strength of my brother, comfortable slides he ever stepped his feet into.
Yes, sir.
So I entered that raffle. Hey,
so what other slides do you have? What other brands of slides do you have?
What other slides do I have? You want to see what I have, my brother? Yeah, let me show you what I got.
You got them on feet? You got them on feet already?
No, these ain't even.
Okay.
Right?
Oh, those are the knockoffs. Those are the knockoffs.
These the KOs. Hey, these the KOs. Hey, my brother. Hey, I didn't even have to enter a raffle to get these knockoffs right here.
So when we have you try them on, we're gonna have you do a comparison between those two. And you let us know.
Yes, sir. Hey,
Yes,
I
sir.
could do that most definitely. But
Yes, sir.
I got mine. Yes, sir. I got
Bam.
mine. Thank you.
So
Thank
let us
you.
know in the comments, sneakerheads, were y'all able to hit on the raffle for any Yeezys or any other slides? You know, Yeezy's been dropping like at least 30 shoes last month. So let us know in the comments, are you still rocking these or dropping these?
Yes, sir. What you got, my brother? I know you said we told him it was a double up, right? So what you got for
28th of August, and Jordan 4 Frozen Moments sold out. But bam, I got mine.
uh-oh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now keep in mind, this is the women exclusively pair of shoes. Unfortunately, I did not be able to cop my size. This is the women's size 8, but we just wanted to be able to try to cop these for y'all, to show y'all these. So it does feature that generic Flight logo on the front. It says
Uh-oh.
again, women's size 8. This comes in that generic Jordan 4 box with the cement print. Bam!
Ooh, wait. Smell like money.
So as you know, in my last video, I did say I would have to see these in hand. And I would have to say it is the shiny leather that I did expect to have. I can confirm it does have that shiny toe box, but it's not a bad shoe. And what I'm saying that is because like right here, this upper right here is white, and then it does have that white right here around the toe box. So I think it creates a balance. Then it
Okay.
also has this white in front to kind of like even out the shoe. And so it looks like it does have that canvas material right here. And so I will be trying to do a further detailed review on these, but we're just trying to do this quick unboxing with you. Let us know in the comments, were you able to cop any frozen moments? Again, this is a women's pair. And let us know, are you rocking these or dropping these?
And if you like content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.